Grind gang, what it do? It's your boy Roll 100 and I'm back with another video, another Instacart video, vlog, vlog. Right quick. You know what I'm saying? What's up? It's your boy Roll 100. I hope everybody out there having a beautiful day, a blessed morning, a great afternoon, a wonderful evening, whatever time of day it is that you watch this video. Man, I pray that it's all good for you. You understand what I'm saying? It's your boy Roll 100. I'm back in the building. All I'm trying to do today is share some love, share some tips, see what my people, see what the grind gang is up to, because y'all know what I'm up to. I'm getting this bag. You already know. It's Instacart day. I'm Instacart shopping. Well, I haven't even Instacart shopped yet. My shift don't even start yet, but it's about to. But hey, before it start, I wanted to run a couple of things by you. Somebody contacted me and asked me if I would make a video about a couple of things. They asked me if I would make a video about handling multiple orders and what my technique is for handling multiple orders. So I'm going to tell you what I do when I handle multiple orders. When I'm shopping, if I'm shopping for multiple orders, the first thing I want to do, once I reach the store that I'm at, I go into the to the store that I'm at. I look and see how many orders I got. I have 2 orders. Once I click that I'm starting to shop and I see, okay, I got 2 orders, I kind of scan through and see how many items I'm going to actually have. That's going to depend whether I'm going to grab 2 shopping carts, 1 shopping cart, or if I'm going to grab a shopping cart and maybe one of the little smaller shopping carts. It just depends. I usually just grab 2 shopping carts. It's a lot easier for me to take 2 shopping carts when I got 2 orders. What I would do is I'll go in, I grab my first 2 shopping carts. And usually Instacart will label the orders A, B, and C. Okay? So if you got 3 orders, it'll be A, B, and C. 2 orders will be A and B. So what you do is you go, and I don't think I ever had 4 orders. I can't recall if I ever had 4 orders. And if I did, I don't think I did. But anyway, A, B, and C. So what I would do is, a lot of times if I got 3 orders, I'll carry 2 carts. 1 cart will be cart A, the other cart will be cart B. I will look for which one is the smallest order. And if the smallest order, I will usually kind of separate a small order, the smaller orders in 1 cart and use the big cart for the big order. But the bottom line is making sure that you have enough room for all of the items and that you don't mix up the items. So I use separate carts. Usually 2 carts can do it for even 2 or 3 orders. I just make sure that as I'm scanning them, I double check which order is for it, because the items are all in together. So when I pick up some grapes and I pick up, I make sure that it's going to the right order. So I label my carts in my head. I label my carts A and B, or A, B, and the shelf. I'll use the top part where the kids sit at. Just flip the little thing up and use the top part where the kids sit at, and I'll make that C and use both of those. I mean, it just depends. The bottom line is just keeping them separated so that when you get up to checkout, it's easy for you to check out. Just make sure you're checking out the right orders at a time. Usually I'll just walk up to the register and I say, hey, I'm Instacart. This is an Instacart shop. I got 3 orders. And they'll be like, cool. They usually ask you want it paper or plastic. Me, I prefer to put most of my refrigerator items in plastic because it's a lot easier for me to pack those in and carry them inside of my insulated bags, which is another thing I want to talk to you about when it comes to organizing separate orders. You can bring your insulated bags into the store with you. Well, to most supermarkets or grocery stores, you can bring your insulated bag in the store with you, and it'll help you shop to separate. So when you get to the checkout, you can just tell them, hey, I'd like all my refrigerator items in plastic bags, to go inside of the insulated bags. All my frozen items in plastic bags to go inside the insulated bags. Anything dry food or something like that, you can just put in paper bags. However you tell them you want it, they'll do it like that. And if you really want to get good at it, here's a tip. Keep a tip for people like the grocery baggers and the guys outside that pack the bags into your car. Keep $1 or $2. I don't just run around throwing money away, but I do tip those guys. And what happens is, since I'm back and forth to the same store all the time, they take care of me. When I walk in, they know me. They say, "Oh, that's the one guy with the gray beard. He coming in here to shop." You know what I mean? So when I come in there, I get good treatment. They look out for me and they make sure to take care of me. But when you got separate orders, you just want to really be particular about double checking, triple checking to make sure you're putting the orders together before you get to the register. And when you get to the register, make sure that is, Now, when you get your bags to your car, what I like to do is sometimes I'll have one order bagged in plastic and one order bagged in paper. Me, I have an SUV. I don't know. I've seen people doing Instacart, and I've seen people doing Instacart in some cars. I don't know how the heck they putting all this stuff in there, but they doing it, so shout out to them. But I got SUV. I got enough room in the back, and I have a divider that if I got 2 orders, I can put all stuff on this side, and I can put all the other person's stuff on that side. So, or I could use my back seat and put 1 order on my back seat, 2 orders in the back. It just depends. The bottom line is to keep the orders separated so that you and always double check the amount of items that you have. Make sure you check the receipts so that you're not overcharging the customer for something, because that will show up negatively on you, and just to make sure that they got the right thing. Now, when it comes to delivery only orders, they are a little easier to keep separate. When you go to the store to pick up a delivery only order, you go in the store, you scan each bag, and once you scan the bags, you put them in. But each bag, even it has to scan, it also has the customer's name on it, and it also tells you how many bags. If there's 6 bags, it'll tell you 1 out of 6, 2 out of 6, 3 out of 6. So those are things that can help you to separate. So when you get these bags and they got people's names on it and they scan. So once you scan these items, you will see, the name of the person on your phone, also matching the name of the person that's on the bag. So you know how many bags you got. You put them in your cart, and then when you get to your car to bag them in, you can separately bag them based on the names that are on the bags, and you just put them in your separate stuff. Me, always use insulated bags. If you use your insulated bags, it's much easier to separate everything, and it's also easier for when you're dropping it off. So if you only got the 4 insulated bags that you got from Instacart when you started, hopefully you do have those. Please use your insulated bags. These are very important. They help you get most of your tips. Use your insulated bags. They help you get most of your tips. But they also help to save trips going in and out of someone's apartment or house. They also help you organize and keep things separate from other things. So understand how important those insulated bags are, and I explain it to you all the time. Almost every customer is very, very appreciative when they see you roll up and you got their food in insulated bags. And sometimes it's not even just the refrigerated items. Sometimes I just don't want to carry 3 or 4 bags, so I'll just put them all inside of one of the insulated bags. I also have a big, huge insulated bag, and it's not a bad investment. Trust me, it's worth it. You carry it over your shoulder, you go up, and you can carry 5, 6, 7, 8 small grocery bags inside of it at one time. So anyway, that's just a little small tip on how to make it a little bit easier to organize when you have multiple shops. Also, when you have multiple deliveries, also a little bit better understanding of how and when to use your insulated bags. You know, I'm an advocate of insulated bags, and I say use insulated bags every time you got the opportunity. Use your insulated bags, especially if you pay for them. You pay for them, get your money out of them. Trust me, I got way more than my money back off of these insulated bags over and over again, I've received $20 tips. I've received $50 tips. I've received $30 tips, 5 and 10. I only paid, if I can remember, it was $24 for the 4 bags from Instacart, and I got those bags. It's been almost a year, and they pretty good. I only broke one of them. I only broke the zipper on one bag so far, so they pretty decent brand bag. And you can just put them in the wash. They're washable. You just put them in the washing machine and wash them every once in a while, just so they stay nice and clean and look presentable when you bring them up to the customer. They really appreciate that. So anyway, that was just a quick tip from your boy Roll 100. You know what I do. Hey, yeah. So we about to get this Instacart shift started. I'm excited to make this money. I hope y'all excited to make this money. I hope the whole entire grind gang is out there getting their money today. I hope you will come to my channel and share your experiences. If you're watching this video for the first time, leave a like, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell so you can be first to get my videos when I post them, so you can be first to see what the grind gang is up to, because we always up to something. You know what I'm saying? We keep it going. Hey, check this out. Shout out to everybody, man. I hope everybody have a blessed day. You already know it's your boy Roll 100, and when you roll, make sure it's 100. Peace.